You guys ready for lunch?
Yeah!
What would you like?
Donuts!
Maybe something a little more healthy?
Donut salad? Daddy, what are you making?
I'm making chicken satay.
Why is the chicken having a sad day?
No, chicken satay.
Well, I hope his day is better.
I hope so too. Chicken's day is definitely not getting any better. Biscuit, what are you eating?
I accidentally ate the Scrabble tiles?
Your next trip to the bathroom could spell disaster.
Could I go to McDonald's?
Tell you what, Biscuit, if you can spell McDonald's, we'll go there.
Let's go to KFC then.
Oh, you are one smart cookie.
You're my best friend. Oh, thank you. Am I yours? No.
This my baby. And ain't nobody finna touch him. Nobody.
If you follow people that's just because they're cute, that's fine. But there's some people that's not following me, and I am very cute.